Have you ever dreamed of making passive income online? Imagine running a YouTube channel without showing your face, creating the content yourself, or even needing expensive equipment. Welcome to the world of YouTube automation. Today, I am going to break down exactly how this business model works, how much you can earn, and how to automate the entire process. Stick with me because this could be your first step toward financial freedom. In this video, we'll cover what YouTube automation is, how it generates income, the secrets behind RPM and CPM, and how to outsource everything. Plus, I'll give you a glimpse into its future and why it's one of the most scalable online businesses in 2025. First of all, what is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is essentially a business model where you create and manage a YouTube channel like a systemized business. Unlike traditional YouTubing, you don't have to be the face of the channel or handle every aspect of content creation yourself. The focus is on building faceless channels where you outsource tasks like video creation, script writing, editing, and even voiceovers. Think of it as owning a media company where you're the strategist. Some popular niches for automated YouTube channels include top 10 lists like 10 most expensive cars in the world, how to or explainer videos like how to save money on groceries, celebrity news or sports highlights, motivational content with stock footage and voiceovers. These channels rely on engaging thumbnails, optimized titles, and SEO-driven descriptions to attract viewers. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. How and how much do you earn? YouTube automation channels primarily make money through ad revenue. This is your main source of income, earned through YouTube's partner program. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services within your videos and earn a commission on sales. Sponsorships. Once your channel grows, brands will pay you for product placements. Merchandising. Selling your own products or digital courses can also be integrated. The income varies depending on your niche and audience size. Some niches, like finance or tech, have high CPMs, which I'll explain in the next chapter. On average, a well-performing automation channel can generate anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per month after scaling. So, what are the RPM and CPM? CPM means cost per mil. Basically, it tells you how much advertisers pay for 1,000 ad views on your videos. This is influenced by your niche and audience demographics. RPM, which is the revenue per mil, the actual amount you earn per 1,000 views after YouTube takes its cut. But now, let's talk of numbers. This niche breakdown will help you out. High CPM niches, finance and investing, $15 to $50, tech reviews, $10 to $25, health and fitness, $8 to $20. Low CPM niches, entertainment or comedy, $2 to $8, gaming, $2 to $6. But why it actually matters? Simple, choosing the right niche can significantly impact your revenue. A finance channel with 100,000 views may earn more than a comedy channel with 500,000 views. This is why automation often focuses on high CPM niche. But now, a big question is how can you automate it? Here's how to build an automated channel step by step. Content strategy. Research niches and trending topics using tools like TubeBuddy or Vidic. Scripting. Hire freelance writers from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to write engaging scripts. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Let me know in the comments, what niche would you start your automated YouTube channel in? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.